What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the upgraded Titan Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. Let's start today's lesson at the top center of our page with the head. We're going to start with a straight line going across the top. And then from here we draw a rectangle coming down the side towards the bottom of the head. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add a circle on the top half going around towards the side and back up toward the top. And I want to trace the circle along the inside. From the outside of a rectangle, draw two straight lines going out. Go straight up towards the top. And then from here, draw a curve going up and then down. Let's add a little bit of detail in the center with two straight lines going up. Close this off. Let's add that antenna in the center with two straight lines going up, round up the top, and we'll add a small circle. Let's leave a gap along the side of the head, draw two straight angle lines coming down, and I'm going to add two squares going out and flatten off the outside. Let's connect those squares to the head with two straight lines coming in. And we'll trace those squares along the inside. From each of the corners, we're just going to connect this towards the inside square with an angled line. And we'll add a small circle in the center. Along the bottom, we'll step in, draw two straight lines coming down, and we're just going to round out the bottom. Let's add a bar going across the top, straight up, and then we'll round up the top. Now you want to add a bar going across the side. Let's start from the inside. We're just going to angle this up and in toward the center bar, and down towards the right. Let's go back to the inside. We're just going to taper it so it gets wider as you go out. Now let's go back to the bottom of the head. We're going to draw two straight lines coming down the neck, close out the bottom with a curve. From the base of the neck, let's curve the shoulders going out and then down on either side. Let's move to the center of the body, add a circle, and I'll trace that circle inside. And then going back up to the top of the shoulder, it's going to bend the coat, coming in and then down toward the top of the circle. And I want to continue that curve along the bottom, coming down and then out toward the bottom of the coat. Let's round out the bottom of the coat, going out and then up towards the side of the body. Bend this up and then in. Let's add some straps coming out from that circle. Starting from the side with two lines. Let's close off the end. Step in, add another line for the buckle. Let's go up to the top, draw another strap going up in an angle. Flatten this off. Come back in. And we'll add that buckle. Now I'm going to tuck the collar in behind. From the top, angle this down and out. And it's in and then down toward the bottom strap. Continue along the bottom. Let's add two pockets on the side. Coming in, down, and then out. And then we'll line that up on the right side. Now from the bottom of the jacket, let's step up, add a curve for the belt. Step up, draw that again, and then draw two straight lines along the side. From the buckle, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left side, coming down and up. And from the outside of the foot, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. From the outside corner of the coat, let's step in, bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom. Just going to follow that same curve. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the left arm holding that weapon. From the shoulder, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going up and then down. Round out the thumb and bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. From the side of the thumb, we go out and in with a half oval. Come down towards the bottom, draw that again, just tuck that up underneath the thumb. And do that one more time. Now we're going to draw the handle going in behind the hand, starting from the bottom. Draw 2 straight angle lines coming down. Round out the bottom. Now just up above the hand, we're going to leave a gap, draw a straight line going across. On the ends, round this out like a large bracket, and flat off the top. Let's continue these 2 lines above the hand, going up toward the hammer. From the corners, we're just going to spread this out. Close off the outside with a curve. In the center, let's draw a circle. Trace that circle in the middle. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the hammer. From the side of the circle, draw a straight angle line for a seam. On the top, draw a half circle. Now on the outside, we're going to add a point. Out and back in. Let's go back to the wrist. We're going to curve the hand, coming down and bend that out. Now from the inside, I'm just going to bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Let's line up the inside of the arm all the way over on the right side, and the arm going out and down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle with the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. From the bottom of the thumb, come around and up around the bracket, come out to the side, add the 2nd finger. Now you want to blend the 3rd finger up in towards the shoulder. So we're going to go all the way around and bend that in. Let's go back to the top of the thumb, add the sleeve, going out and up. Let's layer those wings in behind the body, starting from the hips, angle this down and out. And change the angle, coming all the way down towards the end. Going back to this point, move up and out. Come down to the bottom, go straight up and behind. Now I just want to finish off the top, angling this up and behind the arms. Let's go to the outside of the right wrist, curve this up and then out. Go all the way up by that same curve, flatten the outside. From the ends, I'm just going to taper this in and round out the bottom. From these 2 points, continue down towards the bottom, round this out, round out the bottom. Now I want to add a little bit more detail. Start with 2 straight angle lines in the center. On the top, add a half circle. Let's add a couple seams across the bottom. Then we're going to add a bar across the top. Bending this in, flatten this off, and bend that back out. Now we want to go back and layer some more detail in behind the shoulder. Let's start with 2 more cameras. From the top of the shoulders, go straight up. And then from here, we're going to draw a square. Going out, down, and then in. is trace each of the squares along the inside. From the inside corner along the top, and goes down and in, and comes straight down. Now I'm going to layer some guns going out in an angle in behind. Let's start with the left side. Go up, round at the end, then bring that back down. Now it's going to layer some more in behind. Just work our way in, and we'll tuck some in along the side. Now I'm going to take that and flip it over on the right. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the upgraded Titan Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.